is amazing broiler finisher feed formula. No commercial feed dealer will like you to know. This particular feed formula is for finisher, broilers finishers. And with this feed formula, if you have the mind, if you have the zeal, and you have the financial muscle to prepare this kind of feed for your broilers and use it to end them to market, I don't know what I will tell you. You're going to get amazing broiler weight. No one will ever like you to know this formula at all, except me. I have treated the starter. This is the finisher, and I want to make sure you have it. Please take your pen and copy out this formula. If you have any question regarding this particular topic, drop it in the comment section. If you have any of these ingredients that I will mention here, I'm going to use few ingredients. Anyone I mentioned that you don't have in your location or you don't know how to prepare it, ask me in the comment section. I will guide you also. This is superb feed formula, broiler finisher for your broilers that no one will ever like you to know. No commercial feed producers can use it for them. If they use it, you are going to buy the feed 40,000 naira per bag, because this feed has more than 20% crude protein. Now let's get there. One is corn 55 kg or 55%, soya bean meal 20 kg or 20%, groundnut cake 6% or 6 kg, fish meal. Please, if you have clupid, this fish they call clupid, this fish that is in small form, or you have tilapia, please use them. Don't just go and buy already made fish meal. Most of the fish meal in the market, to be honest with you, sand is mixed. They mixed it with sand. So go and buy fish by yourself, West fish, or these fish particles. Go and buy it. If you have crayfish West, buy it and use it, than buying already made fish meal in the market. The fish meal, you will see more than 50% of sand in it. So that's what I'm telling you. I know what I'm telling you. Please buy it so that you get the best result. Then blood meal, use 2 kg or 2%. Bone meal, use 3% or 3 kg. Wheat offal, please use 4% or 4 kg. Vegetable oil, groundnut oil, any of the vegetable oil, please. This is for fat and energy. Use 4 liters of it. Salt, use 0.3%. Premix, this is finisher, broiler finisher premix, use 0.5%. Then lysine, use 0.1%. methionine, 0.1%. All these ingredients, when formulated, gave me 19% crude protein and 3,300 metabolizable energy. That's what it gave me per kg. This formula works for broilers because of the high protein of soya bean, fish meal, blood meal, groundnut cake, which support fast muscle growth and meat quality. The high energy from corn and vegetable oil helps birds reach market weight faster. Then the methionine, bone meal, and premix and others help strong bones so that your birds will not have leg problem. Then balanced fiber help from wheat offal, also help in digestion without reducing the feed efficiency. What are the needs of broiler finisher feed for broilers? The broiler finisher feed is essential for maximizing growth, weight, and gain meat quality, and profitability in broiler farming. It gives you rapid weight gain, provide right balance of protein and energy to help broilers grow fast before market age. They have high energy for final growth, rich in carbohydrates and fat to support fast muscle development and weight increment. Improve meat quality. Any livestock animal that has high protein in their body is always soft and succulent. Your broiler will be heavyweight broilers. It reduces feed costs. It is designed to cost effective while still maintaining good growth, helping farmers maximize profit. Prepared for birds for market. Ensure birds achieve the required market weight within 6 to 8 weeks, and it will also reduce the rearing period. Better feed conversion ratio. Finisher feed helps broilers convert feed into body weight effectively and efficiently, minimizing waste. So using the right broiler finisher feed is the key to getting bigger and healthier and more profitable broilers within a short period of time. Would you like a well-balanced broiler feed formula for optimal results? Let me, with other ingredients except this, let me know. If you want me to use other ingredients except these particular ones, let me know on the comment section. If you want me to develop another feed formula using other waste for the same broiler finisher, let me know on the comment section. I will also do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to buy our Eco Bio Booster. As you are feeding with high quality feed, you are giving them this yogurt. This is chicken yogurt. It is probiotic. It is fermented. As yogurt is being fermented, this is fermented animal booster, Eco Bio Booster for all animals, both feathered and four-legged animals. Buy it and use it in your farm, most especially if you are into broiler and egg laying birds. This is will give you amazing result within a short period of time. Thank you for watching. And you can still buy our feed booster. We have it in 1 kg, we have it in 100 gram. Any of them will help you to boost your broiler. This is purely formulated for our fans so that you get the best result. You stop complaining of low broiler weight, low egg production, inferior eggs and others. Thank you for watching. Till the next topic is loaded. For now, I say bye.